Picture Voyager 2, a tiny ambassador venturing farther from Earth than any human creation before it. For years it dazzled us with stunning views of Jupiter and Saturn, then vanished into the endless void between the stars. But one quiet morning that faint signal we'd grown used to suddenly roared to life. Against all odds, Voyager 2 did the unthinkable. It shifted its path. In NASA's control room, shock quickly turned to amazement as the data revealed Voyager 2 was turning towards something unexpected. The quiet of deep space was shattered by a strong, deliberate transmission. We launched Voyager 2 to explore the unknown, never dreaming that something out there might notice it first. Its odyssey was only just beginning. Something remarkable was unfolding. Let's travel back to 1977, when a once-in-a-lifetime planetary alignment opened a door that wouldn't appear again for 176 years. NASA seized the moment, sending Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 on a cosmic journey, using gravity to leapfrog from one planet to the next. Voyager 2, the first to launch, was destined to visit all 4 of the solar system's giant planets. Outfitted with a suite of scientific tools, Voyager 2 became our remote explorer, studying magnetic fields, atmospheres, and capturing breathtaking images. In 1979 it arrived at Jupiter, unveiling raging storms and the explosive volcanoes of Io. 2 years later, it soared past Saturn, revealing the mesmerizing complexity of its rings. By 1986, Voyager 2 became the only probe to visit Uranus, discovering its extreme tilt and bizarre magnetic field. In 1989, it reached Neptune, spotting the mysterious Great Dark Spot and icy geysers erupting from Triton. With Neptune behind it, Voyager 2's planetary tour was complete. Its next stop, the stars. Voyager 2 pressed on, a solitary traveler venturing into the vast unknown, carrying the legacy of its epic adventure. Its photographs weren't just scientific records, they were masterpieces, painting the wonders of our solar system. The grand tour forever transformed how we see our cosmic neighborhood. But Voyager 2's journey was far from over. It became humanity's most distant messenger, and soon, it would make history once more. Fastened to Voyager 2 is the Golden Record, a cosmic postcard, a greeting sent out into the vast unknown. Designed by Carl Sagan and his team, this 12-inch gold-plated copper disc holds the essence of Earth, its sights, its sounds, its spirit. 115 images capture our world's richness, the spiral of DNA, breathtaking landscapes, people connecting, children discovering. The record shares greetings in 55 languages, the music of our planet, from Bach to Chuck Berry, and the sounds of wind, rain, and laughter. It's humanity's love letter to the cosmos, a snapshot of our curiosity, our dreams, and our hope. The cover is etched with instructions, scientific diagrams, and a pulsar map guiding any finder to our place in the galaxy. It quietly declares, "Here we are. This is our moment in time. Come find us." The Golden Record is both an invitation and an introduction. We never knew if anyone would ever discover it, still we launched it, a symbol of our enduring hope. Voyager 2 carried our story into the endless dark. It became a beacon, shining across the stars. Its message was simple: we exist, we are listening, and now, maybe, just maybe, someone or something is listening back. The universe has replied. Following its grand tour of the planets, Voyager 2 embarked on a new adventure, its interstellar voyage. The mission was to breach the heliopause, the threshold where the sun's domain ends and the vastness of interstellar space begins. For years, Voyager 2 neared this unseen boundary, its instruments detecting shifts in solar wind and cosmic rays. By August 2018, the evidence was clear. Voyager 2 had exited the heliosphere and ventured into the interstellar medium. It became our second emissary to the stars, exploring the sparse mix of gas, dust, and radiation between them. This was a groundbreaking feat, direct observations from a new cosmic frontier. Voyager 2 relayed invaluable data on pressure, temperature, and magnetic fields beyond our solar neighborhood. Life in interstellar space is unforgiving. Cosmic rays relentlessly strike the craft, and temperatures linger near absolute zero. Yet, Voyager 2 endured, sustained by a modest supply of plutonium energy. Its faint transmissions carried discoveries across billions of miles. We believed this was its final act, a gradual fade into silence. But Voyager 2 had another tale to tell. Its journey was far from over. The cosmos had other plans. The next transmission would change everything. Voyager 2 was on the brink of making contact with the unknown, and humanity would be forever transformed. On August 11, 2025, what started as a routine data check turned into a jaw-dropping discovery. Voyager 2's transmission suddenly included a surge of data. Organized, intricate, and unmistakably deliberate in a format no one had ever seen. This wasn't a technical hiccup or interference. Voyager 1's signals remained perfectly normal. Every 72 hours the same mysterious sequence repeated, an encoded message built from pure math and logic. Teams of cryptographers and computer experts scrambled to crack the code. What they found was astonishing. A detailed set of thruster commands, a flight path designed for endless wandering. News of the bizarre signal spread like wildfire, fueling wild theories as NASA zeroed in on the data. The repeating message was actually a countdown, all leading up to August 18, 2025. Something big was on the horizon. The world waited, breathless with anticipation. August 18, 2025, everything changed in an instant. The Deep Space Network zeroed in on Voyager 2, just as a decoded transmission warned of a pivotal moment. Without warning, the Doppler readings shifted. Voyager 2 was reorienting itself. Its thrusters, dormant for years, suddenly fired in a flawless sequence, executing a move once thought unthinkable. The probe began a deliberate, graceful spin, swinging its main antenna away from Earth, toward a mysterious region in Ophiuchus. In mission control, tension was palpable. If Voyager's antenna lost its earthward aim, our link could vanish forever. Then, a faint new signal emerged, not from the main antenna, but from the plasma wave subsystem. This device, built to study plasma, was now sending back a completely new stream of data. Voyager 2 had fallen silent, at least in the way we once knew. It was tuned to something else, relaying what it was hearing from the depths. The unthinkable maneuver was finished. Voyager's journey had entered a bold new chapter. Humanity stood on the edge of a revelation no one could have predicted. Voyager 2 was no longer just a distant explorer. It had become our eyes and ears into the cosmic unknown. What Voyager 2 sent back wasn't just data, it was a map, but not of stars. This was a map of space-time itself. Voyager 2 had picked up signals from a colossal unseen structure in the Ophiuchus constellation, 100 light-years away. This was no ordinary find. It was a gravitational anomaly, warping the very fabric of physics as we know it. The readings pointed to a vast network, a galactic transit system where objects zipped in and out faster than light itself. We'd uncovered what looked like a cosmic expressway, a shortcut threading through the galaxy. The possibilities were mind-blowing, proof of technology or forces millions of years beyond our own. The command that reached Voyager 2 wasn't a direct message. Instead, the Golden Record's special properties resonated with a field generated by this network. That resonance triggered a hidden subroutine in Voyager's software, an automatic response we never programmed. By pure chance, we'd created a key that opened a galactic gateway. Suddenly we were listening in on a conversation echoing across the stars. The universe felt both smaller and infinitely more mysterious than ever before. This breakthrough rewrites the story of our universe. For ages, we thought the stars were forever out of reach, separated by a vast empty void. But Voyager 2 has changed that, uncovering hidden routes and currents that link our galaxy together. Suddenly, we realize we're not as alone as we once believed. It's time to rethink our place in the universe. We're stepping beyond the role of mere spectators. We're becoming explorers. The real question isn't, are we alone? But who else is out there with us? These cosmic pathways have existed for eons, traveled by civilizations we can only imagine. This discovery sparks a new era of adventure and scientific discovery. Voyager 2 has handed us an incredible gift, a glimpse into a universe more intricate and astonishing than we ever thought possible. Its odyssey is a journey toward uncharted horizons. The stars are closer than we ever imagined, and now, at last, we've found the path forward.